Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher at Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today our topic will be mirror formula. Mirror formula. Dear student, mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Examiner may be asking in a way, what is the relation between U, V and F? Then the answer will be 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here V is equal to image distance. V is equal to image distance. U is equal to object distance. And F is equal to focal length. That is called the mirror formula. Examiner may be asking in a way, what is the relation between U, V and F? Then your answer will be 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. From here, examiner asking a numerical, we will practice about it. First of all, we will discuss about the sign convention. There are two types of mirror in the numericals. One will be the convex and one will be the concave. So first of all, for concave mirror, U always will be negative because that is the mirror. This is the P, this is F, and this is C. Object is always towards the left of the pole. In mirror, every distance measured from the pole. So, objects are always taken left of the pole. So, U will be always negative. F always will be negative because this is the focal length. This is the focal length. And this is towards the left of the pole, so that is called negative. V. Dear student, we already discussed about it. There are 5 images which are real and inverted. But in one case, when the object is between F and P, then the image is the virtual. Then the image is the virtual. And towards the right of the pole. And towards the right of the pole. 5 towards the left. And there is the one only and one which is towards the right. So from here, V may be positive and V may be negative. This is the sign convention for the convex. If V is negative, then image will be real and inverted. And if V is the positive, then image will be the virtual and erect. Again, I repeated sign convention, U always be negative, F always be negative, and V may be positive and negative. When it is negative, then it is said to be real and inverted, and when it is positive, then it is said to be virtual and erect. Clear? Now, there is a word magnification, that is equal to M is equal to H dash by H. H dash is the height of image and H is the height of object. Also, M is equal to minus ka V by U. V is the image distance, U is the object distance. If image is real, then M is equal to negative. And if image is virtual, then M is equal to positive. Now we will discuss a numerical. After that, we will easily clear about the mirror formula in case of concave mirror. Dear student, an object of height 5 centimeter is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter at a distance of 30 centimeter. Find nature, position, size and magnification of image. एक क्वेश्चन दे दिया गया हमें कि कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसका हाइट दे दिया गया है, उसका फोकल लेंथ दे दिया गया मिरर का जिसके सामने उसको रखा है, और किस डिस्टेंस पे रखा वो डिस्टेंस हमें दे दिया गया है। हमसे उसका नेचर, पोजीशन, साइज और मैग्निफिकेशन पूछा गया है। अकॉर्डिंग टू मिरर फॉर्मूला 1/v plus 1/u is equal to 1/f. So 1/v is equal to 1/f minus 1/u. So 1/v is equal to f. In case of concave, f always be negative. So minus का 1/10 minus u always be negative, minus का 30. Minus minus plus. So 1/v is equal to 30 is the LCM, minus का 3 plus का 1. Minus का 2/30 minus 1/15. So v is equal to minus का 15 centimeter. That is the image distance, image position. मैंने आपको बताया अगर माइनस आता है तो then the nature will be the real and inverted. Real and inverted. Now we will discuss about the magnification. So m is equal to minus का v by u minus v का वैल्यू minus 15 divided by u का वैल्यू minus 30 minus 2 minus cancel minus 1/2. So m is equal to minus का 1/2 minus का 0.5. Now m is equal to h dash by h minus 1/2 h dash by 5. H dash is equal to minus का 5/2. Minus sign also show that the image is the real and inverted. Dear student, I will give you two more formulas in case of mirror by which you can solve easily. One is m is equal to f minus v by f. This is the first formula. When v and f are given and magnification is asking or u is asking anything, then m is equal to f upon f minus u. This is the second formula in case of mirror. Now we will discuss about a question from your Pradeep's program for practice. At what distance an object should be placed in front of concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter that we get 3 times magnified image, 3 times magnified image. Dear student, in this question magnification is given, so m is given 3. ना इसने बोला कि रियल और इन्वर्टेड है, ना इसने बोला वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट है। अगर रियल और इन्वर्टेड बोलता था हम m की वैल्यू को माइनस ले लेते, और अगर ये वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट बोलता था हम m की वैल्यू को क्या ले लेते, प्लस ले लेते। लेकिन इसने कुछ नहीं बोला तो हम प्लस माइनस दोनों कंसीडर करके चलते हैं। m का वैल्यू क्या हो गया हमारे पास प्लस माइनस 3, u इसने पूछा है, f यहाँ पे गिवन है। मैंने आपको अभी एक फॉर्मूला बताया है, m इज इक्वल टू f अपॉन f माइनस u। आपके पास दो केस बनते हैं, आप सबसे पहले एक केस उठाइए। मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूं, इसको मैं अब इसका सॉल्यूशन करा रहा हूं। m का वैल्यू उसने आपके पास प्लस माइनस 3 दिया, फॉर्मूला बोलता है f अपॉन f माइनस u। अब यहां से अगर मैं बात करता हूं तो मैं एक बार m का वैल्यू प्लस 3 ले लेता हूं, f का वैल्यू माइनस 20 हो जाएगा, माइनस 20 माइनस u, सो माइनस 60 माइनस 3u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20, माइनस 3u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20 प्लस 60 और माइनस 3u इज इक्वल टू 40 और u का वैल्यू आ जाएगा यहां से माइनस का 40 बाई 3 सेंटीमीटर। डियर स्टूडेंट, ये वो एक ऐसा केस था जहां पे हमने m को क्या लिया, पॉजिटिव लिया। इसी में हम करते हैं m वाले केस को हम क्या ले लेते हैं, नेगेटिव ले लेते हैं, माइनस 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 20 माइनस u, माइनस 3 और माइनस 20 प्लस 60 प्लस 3u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20, 3u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20 माइनस 60, 3u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 80 and u is equal to minus का 80 by 3 centimeter. Dear student, these are the two possible values of the object distance. ये वाला फॉर्मूला बहुत इजी फॉर्मूला है, आप इसका एग्जाम में अप्लाई कीजिए, बिल्कुल 110% करेक्ट होता है। This is the mirror formula in case of concave mirror. I hope you will well understood about it. Thank you.